Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Dash cams in 2026 are basically the black boxes for your car. If you're tired of he said, she said after a fender bender, these dual setup cameras are the upgrade you need. We're looking at the top 5 best front and rear dash cams, picked for their resolution, night vision, and reliability. We've got high-end options and budget-friendly picks that don't skimp on the basics. For the latest details and links, check the description. Let's get into it. We're starting with the VIOFO A229 Pro, a high-end choice that focuses on raw image quality. It uses Sony STARVIS 2 sensors for both the front and rear, giving you 4K resolution up front and 2K in the back. This setup is a beast at night. The HDR technology balances out bright headlights and dark shadows, so you actually stand a chance of reading a license plate at high speeds. It also packs a quad-mode GPS for ultra-precise location tracking and voice control so you can lock videos without taking your hands off the wheel. Most users find the video quality crispy and the installation simple, though we've seen some reports about the screen glitching or the app being a bit slow to respond. It includes a CPL filter to cut down on dashboard glare, which is a nice touch. The cable is long enough for most SUVs, but it's something to keep an eye on if you've got a massive truck. It's a smart pick if you want the best night vision tech currently available without moving to a full professional rig.
Next is the Vantrue N4S. This is a 3-channel system, meaning it watches the road, the back, and the cabin all at once. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants total coverage. It packs 2.7K resolution on the front and 1440p for the other two. The STARVIS 2 tech makes a return here, paired with their plate pick system to sharpen up license plates by 2 times. We like the super capacitor design because it handles extreme heat or cold way better than old-school batteries. Also, the rear camera rotates 360 degrees for cargo monitoring. It supports up to a massive 1 terabyte SD card, which is great because 3 streams of HD video eat space fast. We found the magnetic GPS mount makes it easy to pop the camera off when you're parked in a sketchy area. Users love the clear menu system and the fact that the wires are easy to hide during setup. Some mention the initial setup can be challenging, but once it's in, the reliability is top tier. It's a dependable, all-in-one security solution that just works.
Moving on to the ROVE R2 4K Dual. This is one of the more popular mid-range options because it actually includes a 128GB memory card in the box. You get 4K recording in the front and 1080p in the rear. It uses the Sony IMX675 sensor, which handles low light well enough for most daily drivers. The 5G Wi-Fi is a standout feature, letting you download clips to your phone at around 20 megabytes per second. That's way faster than the sluggish connections on cheaper cams. It also features a 3-inch IPS screen for easy viewing. We've noticed some feedback that the Dashcam's Wi-Fi can sometimes fight with your car's built-in Wi-Fi, so you might have to toggle settings to get it to pair. But once it's connected, the app is intuitive. It's built with a super capacitor for a longer lifespan and supports up to 1 terabyte if you want to upgrade the storage later. Users appreciate the comprehensive manual, though some wish it came with more cable clips. It's a solid, reliable package that feels more premium than its price tag suggests.
The REDTIGER F7NP is a high-performance dual cam that's built for those who want a wide field of view. The front lens covers 170 degrees, which is wide enough to see almost everything from pillar to pillar. It records in 4K and uses WDR technology to keep the picture clear when you're driving into the sun or through a tunnel. It's compact and hides easily behind most rear-view mirrors. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is snappy for quick downloads, and the super capacitor handles hot climates like a pro. It even comes with a free 128GB card. REDTIGER is known for having some of the best customer support in the game, which is a huge plus if you run into any hardware issues. Some users have reported that the app can be finicky or that the unit might need a replacement after a few months, but the 18-month warranty has your back. Also, the parking mode instructions could be clearer, so be ready to look up a tutorial. It's a great choice if you want a massive viewing angle and the peace of mind that someone will help.
Finally, we have the TERUNSOUL D016. This one is unique because it offers 4K resolution on both the front and the rear cameras. Most competitors drop the rear quality to save on processing power, but this thing stays sharp all around. Like the others, it comes with a 128GB card and features Starlight night vision. The 170-degree wide-angle lens on the front ensures you aren't missing any action on the sides of the road. It even has a dedicated lock button, so you can manually save a clip with one touch. Users mention the installation can be a little tricky if you're not used to routing cables, but the video quality makes the effort worth it. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes the app connection stable and fast. It feels like a high-end device, but stays in a more budget-friendly territory. Some customers have reported minor connectivity issues, but the night vision is frequently praised for not interfering with driving. If you absolutely need 4K clarity behind your car just as much as in front of it, this is probably your best bet. And that wraps up the top 5 best front and rear dash cams. If this video helped you pick your next car upgrade, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. We're always hunting for the gear that actually makes sense to buy. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.